Today, we are going to talk about Dreamlit AI, a smart platform designed to help you to automate email campaigns and workflows using artificial intelligence. Email marketing is still one of the most powerful ways to connect with customers, but writing emails, scheduling campaigns, and managing follow ups can take a lot of time. Dreamlit AI aims to make this easier by using AI to help create, send, and automate email communication. In this video, I will explain what Dreamlit AI is, its key features, who it is best for, and how the lifetime deal works on AppSumo. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and explore practical platforms that help the creators, freelancers, and small businesses to grow faster using smart tools and easy methods. If this kind of content helps you, make sure to subscribe this channel and also check the link from description to explore Dreamlit AI and any available lifetime offer. By using the description link, any deal or benefit that will be applied automatically, so you don't need to use any code or doing anything extra. Now let's come to the main part of the video. At its core, Dreamlit AI is built to automate email marketing. Instead of manually writing and sending each email, the platform helps you to create automated sequences that send messages to subscribers based on their action and time delays. This helps you to stay connected with your audience without constant manual effort. One of the most important features of Dreamlit AI is AI powered email writing. The system can help you to generate subject line, email content, and follow up messages. This is especially helpful for beginners who find it difficult to write marketing emails that sound professional and engaging. Another useful feature is workflow automation. You can create email journeys where subscribers receive different emails depending on what they do, such as signing up, click a link, or making a purchase. This makes your email communication more personalized and effective. Dreamlit AI also helps with audience segmentation. You can group the subscribers based on behavior, interests, or actions. These allow you to send more relevant emails instead of sending the same message to everyone, which can improve engagement and results. For small businesses and freelancers, one big advantage is saving time. Once the workflow are set up, emails are sent automatically in the background. This means you can focus more on your products, your services, or content instead of constantly managing campaigns. Another helpful feature that is the performance tracking. Dreamlit AI gives insights into open rates, clicks, and engagement, so you can understand which emails are working best. This helps you to improve your future campaigns based on the real data. Dreamlit AI is especially helpful or useful for online businesses, course creators, coaches, and marketers who rely on email to nurture leads and build relationships. It reduces the technical side of email marketing and makes automation more accessible. Now let's talk about the lifetime deal through AppSumo. Lifetime deal means you pay once and get the long-term access. This is very useful for businesses that want email automation without ongoing monthly software costs. The first tier is usually suitable for beginners or small lists. It gives access to the basic automation and AI email writing, which is enough to start building simple email sequences. The next tier is better for growing businesses. You can manage larger subscriber lists, create more workflows, and use advanced automation features. This is ideal if email marketing is becoming a key part of your business. Now let's talk about the higher tier plans. They are designed for advanced marketers or teams. These plans support bigger lists, more complex workflows, and greater flexibility as your business scales. So if you want to automate your email campaigns, if you want to save time and improve the communication with your audience, then taking the lifetime deal through the description link can be a smart option. You simply choose the tier that fits your needs and the offer will be applied automatically. So overall, Dreamlit AI is a beginner friendly and powerful tool that helps automate the email marketing, create smarter workflows, and keep your audience engaged with less manual effort. So that's it basically for today's video about Dreamlit and its lifetime deal through AppSumo. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. And thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. I will see you in the next one.